Guys, I got my '09 Silverado here with the 4.8. It's making a ticking sound when it starts up. I'm not going to start it up because I don't want to get it hot, but I do have a clip from going underneath and checking the bell housing. Now, on first inspection, you would think that it's coming from the bell housing right at the bottom. That's what it sounds like, but upon further investigation, we see that it's actually the starter. So when I get this starter out, I'll show you why it's doing that. New starter, old starter. So the clanging you're hearing, you hear that? What it is, that falls forward. So on a non-leveled or non-lifted truck, this issue is not as common. This issue is very common on leveled and lifted trucks that have any type of level or squat, because the way that the starter is, so the starter is here. It's normally tilted, well, hold on, it's technically like this. It's normally tilted like this on a non-lifted truck because of the rake. When you level the truck, out, it falls. And it's just because the sprocket is, the mechanism that pulls it in is wore out. So when the starter wears out on a lifted or leveled truck, it does this. On a new starter that's not wore out, it doesn't come down at all. It stays up the whole time. It actually pulls forward. So since this one's spring assembly and everything's wore out, it will hit, fall, spin, and that's what you hear, is it hitting the flywheel and bouncing back. Let's try this again. New starter is installed. This is the old one. Have the battery hooked up this time. Remote start, so we're gonna watch it, see what it does. No more clicking, no more tapping. Sounds good. That's what we like to hear. And there's the whole problem, guys. It's a wore out starter.